Hello everyone, welcome back to the question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss one more question that is asked in CSAT 2021-24, and I have given the topic as arithmetic progression, but you will see that I am not going to use it. Instead it should be numbers. But a large number question can be solved using AP. So the question is, what is the number of fives used in numbering a 260 page book? So you might see such type of questions ऐसे numbers आते रहेंगे 260, 750, 2600, 7540 कुछ भी number आ सकता है ना. So before going on to the answer of this question, let's jump on to the concept. So if I am saying any digit from 1 to 99, how many times is it occurring? We will look at it. Okay, from 1 to 99, how many times it is occurring? Let's talk about 1. So 1 is occurring at 1. Then I'm talking about the units place first. Units place. So units place, it is occurring at 1. It is occurring at 11. I'm talking about this one when I'm talking about unit place. फिर आएगा 21 और ये आते आते कहाँ तक जाएगा 91 तक 90. So how many times it is occurring? 10 times. And tens place, the first number is 10, then 11. Now I'm putting 11 both the times because this one was for the unit digit and this one is for tens digit. तो 10, 11, 12 और ये जाता जाएगा आपका 19 तक. So this is also occurring 10 times. So any digit from 1 to 99 will occur 20 times. Clear? Now see, from 1 to 200, if I am talking specifically about 5, we are number 5. तो 1 से 100 तक 5 कितनी बार आया? 20 times. 100 से 200 तक कब कितनी बार आया? 101 से 200 तक अगेन 20 टाइम्स. तो 200 तक तो ये हो गए हमारे 40 टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट वी आर रिमेनिंग विद फ्रॉम 200 to 260. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द यूनिट्स प्लेस. सो यूनिट्स प्लेस इट इज गोइंग टू बी 205, 215, 225, 235, 245, 255. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. And at tens place, so tens place it is occurring for 250 to 259. That means all the 10 digits 10 times, right? So total number of times are going to be 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6, and that means my answer is going to be 56. This is my answer. This is a very good question. और ऐसे questions आते हैं. We can expect this type of question. Let's jump on to our practice question for today. The question is, how many times does the digit 7 appear in the page numbers of a 400-page book? So I hope you all will be able to solve this question and you can get the answer of this question on our Telegram channel. Okay. Before ending this video, let me tell you this answer would change. Suppose I am including 7. If I would have said 3, then 3 you need to consider 3 for the hundreds place as well, because 3 will come at 301, 302, 300 up to 399. That thing you will also have to consider. So keep this thing in your mind. Okay, thank you.